What is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to talk about Folk CRM. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Folk CRM is a lightweight, modern CRM designed for people, not just sales pipelines. It's perfect for freelancers, founders, agencies, and anyone juggling lots of contacts outside a typical sales process. Here's what stands out. Super clean interface, easy to use from day one. Google, LinkedIn, CSV imports, so getting contacts in is quick. You can tag, group, and organize contacts however you want clients, investors, leads, you name it. Built in group email lets you message multiple people with personalized content. Plus, a Chrome extension makes saving contacts from the web super fast. So the pros are zero learning curve, seriously. Great for managing relationships, not just transactions. Ideal for solo users or small teams who don't need bulky features. And the cons are there is no deep automation or advanced reporting. Mobile support is limited. This is best on desktop. If you're running a full-scale sales team, you'll likely outgrow it. There's a solid free plan and paid plans start around $10 a month. Great value if you want something clean and focused. So should you try Fox CRM? If you're a creator, solo founder, or freelancer who needs a smarter way to manage contacts, yes, 100%. But if you're after deep analytics or big team workflows, it may be too simple. Fox CRM is like the notion of contact management, simple, flexible, and built for real human connections. Try it out and see if it fits your workflow. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!